we are going to extract 4,000 product details. Alright everybody, welcome to the final episode for paid project story. In this project, we want to use our product links.json that we extracted in the previous videos. So if you haven't watched the previous videos, don't forget to check them out because we have done a lot of things, okay? So you don't have to miss them, and I use many interesting things in BeautifulSoup, and we generated our pagination, then we extract all product links, and today we want to send a GET request to each of them, to each product links that we extracted, something like 3,800, yeah, and extract some data such as for example, title, price, product code, all available, URL for the images, description, and also this table, which is really great because it can be a little bit challenging, but I want to show you how you can extract tables using BeautifulSoup and Python request. So if you're ready, let's get started. So let's first of all create our Python file for this video. We want to extract product details, so I want to call it as product underscore detail.py. Maybe not bad. So let me also open my previous codes because I'm gonna copy, so I don't need that. Okay. So first of all, we need to import the library that we want to use, and I want to do some copying and pasting in this video because I just want to save times because it can be a little bit longer than I expected. That's why I'm gonna use copy and paste some codes. In this video, we are going to change our user agent each time, and in each request I want to select a random and new user agent. Not new, but I just want to create a list for our user agent. Okay, it's not about coding. Okay, it's just a request headers that we normally send when we use our browser. Okay, so you can change this data. For example, let me just say that, okay, Safari 608, no matter. Okay, it's just some characteristics about our browser. Okay, maybe, okay, because we are going to mimic the browser. Okay, do not get blocked. And so how we can use that, I just wrote a function in Python, get headers. Each time that we run this request, then we run this code, this function get headers, it gives us a random header. The random thing is only its user agent. Okay, as you can see, I use random library and I say random.choice between this list. Okay, so we need to import random. Okay, so let me just run this code. Okay, and maybe I just have to say get headers each time that we let me go to YouTube. Each time that we run this code, Python product detail. Nice. So let me print this. Yeah, why didn't I print the data? Okay, nice. As you can see, it gives us a random user agent each time and it just generate our headers. Let me check out my checklist. Okay, so yeah, in this video, I'm not gonna just say that convert the data into BeautifulSoup and extract only, for example, a link or maybe a text. I want to create a unique function and call it parser, and I want to take the response each time when we send a GET request and parse the data here. Okay, ouch, what just happened? Okay, I want to say, for example, to do. Okay, and so there is another thing that I want to talk about. We have we have 3,800 links, okay? And we need to send a GET request to all of these links. So, and we haven't implemented our parser yet. So instead of that, I just want to select one of these product links and extract the data that we want, such as title, price, description, the table, the images. Then we put our code in a loop and extract and send 3,000 or 4,000 requests, okay? Instead of, then we do that, okay? So first we work with only one URL. I selected this one because some products do not have description, okay? Some products do not have this table, okay? I want to work with this one because it has everything that we want to practice maybe, okay? So yeah, so let me just copy this URL and I want to say that it is our URL maybe. Okay. Yeah, I just want to show you how we can parse the data. Then I will create a loop and work with our product links.json and send GET requests to all links that we have, 4,000. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So yeah. Okay, you know how we can send a GET request. First of all, we want to say that, okay, we have a function for our headers. So we can say that our headers is get headers. Each time that we run this code, it gives us a random user agent from this list. And now we can send our GET request. Response is equal to requests dot get. What is the URL is here, and our headers is equal to headers that we just generated, and that's it. And we just wanna use our parser here, okay, and just pass the response that we just generated or sent, okay, here. So we have the request. Consider that we already have sent this request to this URL. Now let's implement our response. But you know that before that you need to convert it into a format that BeautifulSoup understand as HTML. Okay, let me just close this. Yeah, this code is a little bit longer than our previous code. So we just convert the response that we take when we send a GET request to HTML parser, and now we are able to work with the soup. Okay, for example, let me just show you. For example, we can say print soup, for example, that find what HX. Okay, and I want to take its text, okay, as a example. Okay, and that's it. Let me run this code. Okay, request. Okay, no problem. Wow, so fast. Yeah, it's the title of maybe, I'm not sure about this. Where is this H tag? Okay, I just randomly my god, there is H tag. No, it's not that. Oh my god, it's hard to even use. Yeah, here. I don't know what is this. And where is this? Yeah, here. Why the H1 tag is located here? I think I don't have any experience in web development, but I think we need to put it. Use HEX. I'm using Persian. H1 in the title. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. So we implement our parsing methods here and just run this code for the first URL and create a loop and use all URLs that we have. Okay, based on things that customer wanted from me, the first thing that I needed to scrape was I want to save the product link, the link that we sent the request to, and also the customer wanted me to scrape the category details. Okay, and which is this part. Some products have categories, some products like this one only has I mean this character and the name of the product. It is, I mean, in French it means welcome, if I'm not mistaken. My friends, my French friends, please translate this word if I translate it incorrectly. Friends. And also we need to scrape the product link, this one, and the product name here, and also the price, the most important one, which is here, which is located here, and also descriptions. Many products do not have description, so we need to handle that. Okay, we do not want to encounter any errors. For example, there is no such element. Okay, you know. And also the features. Okay, for example, I don't know, French people, please help. Can someone, I don't know. I remember myself trying to learn French, and it was, I mean, it is really hard. Okay, anyway, and also after these features we need to scrape the images. Okay, so that's it. So let me just start with link, which can be at the end. I mean, after parsing the data, we want to return. Okay, return. We want to return the first of all the link, which you know that after response we can say response to the URL, it gives us the link. Okay, simple. And the next thing is product category. Okay, and let's find the product category here. So how to find the product category? And we say, let me just check the website. Okay, product category. Okay, there are some texts. Okay, and for example, let me just see that I can maybe open some products to show you only the product link. Oh yeah, here, thanks. Let me, for example, use this URL because we want to scrape product category. Okay, so as you can see, by inspecting and hovering on it, we can see that the text that we want to extract is located in this span. Okay, with this attribute item prop is equal to name. Okay, and we need to take all available li, a, and span, which has this attribute, and just extract their text. And I managed to add bigger char in English. I don't know how to say that, but you know, let me just say that there is a span. I will show you. There's li, and then there is a. So no, maybe we do not need to work with a. We directly can say that there is a span. Okay, we can say ol li span with this attribute. Okay, ol li span with that attribute. So we can say that category tag is equal to soup dot select. Okay, because there are many, there may be more than one element. Okay, so that's why we are using select. Okay, if you haven't watched my web scraping course, don't miss that, seriously. Select what? ol, if I'm not mistaken, li, and there was a span, and what was its attribute? Item prop name. Okay, nice. So we just took all OLLI span. I mean, we took all spans. For example, for this product, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm not mistaken, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now we need to say that sometimes there is no element when you are scraping a website. You have to be careful about these things. Sometimes there is no available element and you have to handle that, and that's why I'm gonna say if there is any category tag, you can say that the category detail is equal to I'm gonna use this dot join. Okay, and I wanna use the join method for each item in the category, and I say item or maybe cat dot get text. We can say strip is equal to true. Maybe there we find some white space there, and get text for cat in this category tag. Okay, and it find every text in that in all categories and just join them by using this string. Okay, and if there is no category tag, just print no category detail available. Okay, so I just want to save more time, guys. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and if I just we can just update our return code, and for example, if we let me just run this code to show you. I'm not gonna run this code each time. Oh, I have to use dictionary data because we are sending data, return data as a dictionary. Okay, I forgot to print the data. Let me just here. Okay, I just want to show you that it works. Okay, only for the category details. Maybe if I find this necessary, I run the code, but if I don't find, I don't run the code. Okay, for example, here, as you can see, we extracted everything here and just put it, we just put some this sign, I don't know how to call it in English, shit, and yeah, that's it. Okay, oh my god, what did I do, guys? Thanks. Now let's see what we need to scrape. We need to scrape then the product code. Okay, product code is equal to what? I'm gonna call it as code, so we do not want this one, and so let's see how we can take the product code so fast. Okay, how run it? Where is the product code? Here we need this element, and there is a span with this item trop. Okay, SKU, and then we need to just extract its text. Simple. Okay, so let me copy my code here for the product code. Okay, here. Okay, and here I just want to say that if product code, if it is available, you can say that code is equal to maybe code text. Okay, code is equal to code dot text, or maybe get text, they're the same, and else I just wanna say that no code no code available. Okay, sounds reasonable. So what's next? let me, yeah, ouch. Okay, the next thing that we want to take is the name. Okay, and name is equal to, for example, name, and let me just, I mean the product name, product title here. We can say there is a h1 which has tt product title, or maybe item prop is equal to name, if I'm not mistaken. Item prop is equal to name is more handy. Let me just use this, and I'm gonna say name is equal to soup dot select, or select one because there is only one, and if you use select, it gives you a one element. Okay, that was a span or div. That was a span. No, that was h1 with this attribute. Okay, and yeah, and I'm gonna say that name is equal to name the text if name. Okay, we can use this method if I'm not mistaken, or not code wrong, else we can say no name available. Okay, nice. Now let's and also we can use this trick for the code. Okay, it is more, I mean it makes our code a little bit shorter. Code the text if code. Okay, else no code available. Okay, now it's more readable. Yeah, but category detail has a lot of things. Okay, so name, code. What's next? The next thing that we want to scrape is the price. Nice. Be careful about, I mean, selecting. At first I just said that okay, find all the span that has this attribute, but it extracted something like this. Okay, because if you just see this data, you can see that it also has item prop price. So be careful about it. It is really necessary. That's why I said that there is a div with this current price class, then find that span. Okay, like this one. I said price is equal to soup dot select one once again, and there is a div which has this class, and then there is a span. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Where that was the span. Span with item prop price. Ouch. Let me copy its attribute. Attributes are really great. Nice. Okay, and we simply say that price the text if it's available. Okay, and if it's not, let me just copy. Don't copy and paste a lot. Ouch. Ouch. Yeah, price the text if it's available, and if it's not, no price available, or maybe no data available. It's more visible. So what's next? The next thing that we want to scrape is so let us just put the price here. Okay, the next thing that I want to take is the description. This description, and I want to call it a description. Okay, description. Yeah, so what is description? How we can take the description using BeautifulSoup, my handy tool. Where is the description? The many products don't have description, as I said before, and descriptions are located in product description div. And if we just take the text, we can extract that. If we just say that grab all text in this div, it gives us everything in these, even in these p tags which have span. Okay, using BeautifulSoup. So, and I think we should go a little bit to the upper tag. Maybe there are some lines in the code later for the description and they just add another divs. Okay, so it's better to take the tab content based on what I have, or implemented for that client. I took div class with tab content, because if we search for tab content, we only have one tab content, which is not available here because of my beautiful face. Maybe. Okay, funny. So yeah, that's it. So let's say that soup. Let's use find. Okay, I haven't used find for this project. Div, it's a div, and it has, maybe you want to work with class, with find, and its class is tab content. Okay, and I'm gonna say that, let me just copy my code because I just want to save time, and we say description.getText if it is available, if description, else no description available. That's quite handy. And when we just say get text, it extracts all available text in all tags which are included inside the main element, main target element, or okay, descriptions. And what's next? The next thing that I'm gonna extract is the images. Okay, so if we hover on this element here, you can see that we have img tag, which has a class thumb, JS thumb. Yeah, and also maybe there are more than one image, so I'm gonna say find all LIs with this class, and then look for img with this class. Sounds reasonable. Okay, so let me just copy this. Okay, so we need to perform selectors. Okay, what is that? So okay, we can see, we can say that img maybe tag is equal to soup.select. Okay, there may be more than one image. Okay, li dot thumb container, and also in that li with thumb container we have img with thumb JS thumb. We do not need the selected. Okay, and it works if you use this one, and also you can add this one too, but that part is enough. So yeah, we can say that then you have to look for img, which has this. Don't forget to put dot between the spaces when you want to use class names in selectors, and it's okay if you're using find or find all. If you have watched my web scraping course, you know what I'm talking about. And then we have everything that we want, and now we just want to say that okay, images maybe is equal to maybe we need a loop and say img something like maybe href, not href, I will tell you, or img in images, or img tag, img tags maybe. And also I'm gonna say that if image tags is available, else you should say no image available. Okay, sounds good, but not href. We wanna use its data image large src. Okay, it gives us the image with better resolution. You can also use with the medium src, I just want to take the large src, okay, and that's it instead of href. So okay, the next thing that I want to extract is the features. Okay, let me just put the images here. I'm gonna use I mean, it can be a little bit, the table features. Okay, I'm gonna save it as a list, as a dictionary. And it is really, really interesting because if you hover on this element, you can find something really pretty. You can see that everything is like, in this dt, name value. Okay, I just know in French that the very first one, this is for color, something like that. Okay, I'm not gonna make fun of French. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for the color, we have the value. We should take dt name and also right after that dt value. That's why I'm gonna create a loop and put name and in each name and in each value, I'm gonna zip them as a one list and then just say that name is equal to value in dictionary. Okay, and take all available name value together. Okay, yeah, data and all, yeah. So yeah, let me use this class for I don't know, is that dl or d1? I just copied. I'm gonna use this format. Let me copy my code because I think it takes time to write this code. I'm not good at typing that much like other YouTubers are. Okay, my god. So yeah, we say that okay, for dt and dd in the zip off, when you use zip it makes it as a package and you can look through it and say dl or maybe d1 di, I don't know, data sheet and dt name, as you can see, and dt name for this element and name, and also for dt value. Okay, for dt value, now we have both of them together and we can use this format. We extract their text and we add we create a label in that features, which is a dictionary, and just put the value, feature value to that. Okay, and it's not hard. Okay, just if you know programming and Python, it's not gonna be a big deal for you, definitely. And images, and yeah, that's it. So we are done. We are done. Let me just run this code and show you how it works. Okay, let me, instead of returning, just print this for now. Okay, it is our URL. Let me just open the URL here. Okay, this, I don't know, what is this in English? So Bamba. Okay, select one is not defined. Really? Soup.select one, bro. Nice. Ouch. Hello, soup, what? Okay. Okay, you can see that we have the link, we have the product category, also we have the product code. Let me make it okay. We have the name, we have the price, we have the description, nice, and also we have the features too, and also the image here. Okay, and if you open the image, yeah, it is a large medium size. Great. So what's next? The next thing that we want to do is just instead of this URL, okay, I'm gonna say that okay, return this. Okay, so we're not gonna print this anymore, and we do not need this parser at all right now. We do not need to edit it. We can say that something like parse data, maybe is equal to parser. We just take the response, and I just want to show you how you can create a loop and use all available product links and send GET requests, and that's it. Okay, let me just, we have an output. I mean, we have an output here, output that JSON maybe, because we want to save the data in JSON. And I'm gonna create a function named save to data. It is quite simple. Okay, you know how to do that. I've done a lot of, I've done this in previous videos. I just use json.dump to just save the data into a JSON format. And also we need to read these product links. Okay, so we do not want this URL. Okay, so we want to read the data that we have using this with open product links. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not gonna, I don't have to explain json.load. Okay, and now we can create our main function, or not function. I'm just gonna say that, okay, for category and category data in what? In data dot items. Yeah, just do this. I want this to, first of all, take all the product links for each category. We want to take these for, for example, for the first category. Okay, and send a GET request to all of these URLs, then take this next category. So it is our loop. So we can say that product links is equal to category data. Category data, we want to take product links, exactly this name. And then, okay, we want to scrape data and append data for each product into a product detail maybe. Okay, then we just save the product details for each category in the main file. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can do that. We say for product link in product links, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, that's yeah, you know what I'm doing. Yeah, let me just, for example, print product link. Okay, and let me just break this loop to only print the product link for the first category. Okay, to only show you what we are doing. Okay, it just prints the product links for the first category. You know what we are doing. Thanks if you understand what I'm saying, and if you don't understand, I'm really sorry for my bad explanations, but it works. It is exactly what I've done for the customer. So yeah, we say that instead of printing, I'm gonna say that generate a header, send a GET request, and I wanna record how many requests have we sent and print it. So I'm gonna say request is equal to 1, and here I'm gonna say that rec plus is equal to 1. Each time that it sends another request, a new request, it just increase this number. And right before that, I'm gonna use this log, which is interesting. It says that working on this product link, and you have sent, for example, 1 request, sent 1, for example, rec so far. Okay, and it is really, it makes our code more readable. And other processes are quite simple. Now we just have to say that, oh no, we do not need to put this parser here. We have to say that parse data is equal to parser response, and then we just append this parse data to our product details. Parse data that append. Yeah, we just append the data that we extract for each product to the product details, and then we just send a request, we parse the data. I just want to wait sometimes here because I don't like to get blocked. Okay, that's why I'm gonna say that I use this sleep time, and I'm gonna show you what's the meaning of this code. Okay, if you just open the Python, I wanted to only wait something like, between 0 and 1 second, okay? And I wanted to use a random integer for this. That's why I use random library to say that, oh my God, to say random uniform gives you a random number between these two numbers. Each time that you run this code, it gives you a random number, but I wanted only 2 decimals. Okay, so for this job you need to use format in Python. Okay, and you can specify I want only 2 decimals. Nice, but it is a string, and sleep time that the sleep takes integer. That's why I use float. Okay, that's it. It's not gonna be a big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay, hopefully. And now, we take everything, put everything in product details, and we just say that, hey, the category data that we have, here, I want to update its pagination, I think, not pagination, the product links. Instead of these links, it just add everything that it scraped for the, for product links, put all product details instead of that. Okay, and it's only product details. Product details. Yes. Yeah, product details. Okay, it scraped everything. Let me use my tool to show you what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, I think, it's really confusing to explain what I've done. I don't know why. So we take everything. Why am I using this tool right now? I don't know why that's open it. So we send a get request for each product. We extract the data, okay, as EXX, extracted the data, and we take every extracted data in a big list, okay, which has, the link, as you just saw in the parser method. And then at the end, we just replace everything that we extracted for each URLs. Okay, instead of these product links, we have something else, and that's it. So we want to say that category data is that, and now I'm just want to save data file. We want to save a data that we just updated. We use category data product links, which is an object of data that we just read, and data, and also it takes the output path. Okay, because the function that I use takes output path, and I just wanted to make it more dynamic, and save data to file. And after finishing each category, I just wanna sleep the time, not sleep. Yeah, I just wanted to, what am I doing, guys? I just wanted to wait something like 5 seconds and just print we're going to next category. Okay, and at the end I just want to say print final scrape data saved to output path, and that's it. Okay, so it runs everything in all product links and send a GET request to each of them, extract the data, and for each category it saves all scrape data. For each category product links in the product details list, and just update the category data. Okay, and I said what it does. So I'm not gonna send 4,000 requests to show you how it works. Just let me run this code to show how it works. URL is not defined. Thanks. What is the URL? In category data? No, not the category data. You should use product link. Yeah. Nice. You have sent one request so far, sending requests, scraping data. Yeah, amazing. Okay, and it waits random, I mean something like between 0 and 1. So it is great. Okay, it is scraping the data, and at the end it saves the data. So let me just break this code because it's not time to send 4,000 requests. And at the end you will reach to something like this for the output.json. Okay, I mean, as you can see, we have the title, I mean URL and pagination, but instead of product links is the same, as you can see, but the data is different. For each product, it saved the link, the product category, product code, name, price, image, everything here, okay? And it is crazy, okay? 72,000 lines, and that's it. And I just sent this output.json to that customer. Also, I sent a CSV format because he wanted me to send a CSV, and I just use this code to convert JSON to CSV. It reads the JSON file and also convert it into JSON to CSV. Simple, and it was so fast. It only reads the key values in the JSON and just convert it into CSV. And that's it. I just send output.json and output.csv to the client, and that's it. It was all about taking a paid project and earning money, completing the project, solving problems, and make fun of programming, maybe because it was funny, and I laughed a lot for this story, for earning this. I mean, that was not expensive. I mean, that was just $30, but it was fine and funny, and I learned some new things in this journey, and I just wanted to share with you. And I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed watching these tutorials. And if you did, don't forget to like this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and it really helps me to create more contents. So if you're ready, I mean, not if you're ready, God, what am I doing? So good luck.